Today, friends, I just want to show you some quick tips for doing a discussion post in Canvas. Because today you do have a writing assignment where you need to get the question and respond in Canvas in discussion. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. So when you are in Canvas, you will click where it says discussions over on the left-hand side. And when you are in discussions, you will see discussion post that you will be responding to. For example, yesterday you did discussion post 323. So if that was the one that you were answering, that would be the one that you would need to click on. So I'm just going to illustrate here with a couple of quick things to show you. One thing is that you can reply after a student has written a comment. So if I'm reading Kat's post from today, for example, she said that she read a book called Owl Diary Trip to the Pumpkin Farm, and she talked about if she could meet one of the characters, who it would be, and then she gave 2 reasons. So if I wanted to comment too, like maybe I have read this book, I could type a response, I have read this book too. And then post the reply. And then Kat will see that I've done that. I've replied to her. So let me go and see if I can switch to student view and show you what it might look like on your screen a little bit differently. Okay, I'm going to go to student view. Okay. So on student view, this is what your screen looks like. Again, discussions is still over here on the side. And you can see the discussion post that you had for yesterday. And I can see very quickly how many students responded to the discussion post. It tells you the name of the post and how long the post will be available. So you won't be able to respond or comment on this post after March 24th. Okay? But I still have time, so I still could go in. I could read posts that other students have responded to. Today, you are going to be responding to a post that is dated writing assignment 324. So that's the one that you're going to look for. Read the question carefully. Read all the information that I've given you and asked you for before you start writing. Okay? So after you've read it all, you could type your post down below. And then when you're ready to post, hit post reply. I hope that helps you find the discussions in Canvas because we are going to be using them a lot. One thing I enjoy about them is it allows me to see what you're thinking really quickly, allows me to be able to write back to you, and for you to be able to see what your classmates are reading and to write back to them. So I hope that you'll continue to use this tool. And that is all for now. Talk to you soon, friends.